I do not know where time has gone, but Father's Day is coming in hot and I do not want to be left scrambling for gift ideas for my husband.
I don't need fish thingies with my husband's head on them.
I mean, do you? Listen, I love the man with all that I am. He is the father of my children, my partner in crime, my bestie, but I am also not trying to go broke getting him a Father's Day gift, so I thought, what better way to show him how loved and appreciated he is than by pouring a little love, sweat, and tears, and I do mean tears because I'm no DIYer, so it's very likely that I will cry during one of these projects out of frustration, into a few homemade gifts for him. So my man has an epic beard. I mean, stories could be written about this beard. So I thought he might love some homemade beard oil to keep him smelling as sexy as he looks, while also keeping his beard in tip-top conditioned shape too. To make the beard oil for the epic beard, I used jojoba oil, almond oil, and avocado oil, plus the essential oils cedarwood, orange, and tea tree. I mean, it's really a win-win for all of us because now my husband's beard is nice and conditioned and I can't keep my hands off of him because he smells so good. Now this next gift is going to be perfect for the man in your life who enjoys a cocktail from time to time, and my husband is what I like to consider a cocktail connoisseur. So this is gonna be right up his alley. Homemade bitters. These are super easy to whip up by using dehydrated orange peel, vodka, whole clove, allspice, vanilla, coriander, and a little cinnamon. This mixture is going to need to sit for up to a month before it's ready, so start it now, you mixologist queen. And my final DIY idea for you today is one that the kids can get involved in, which I think makes it extra special and filled with that much more love. Create a My Dad Rocks rock collection that the father in your life can display at his office or on his desk at home or in his man cave. Start by taking the kids out to hunt for the perfect rocks and then bring the rocks back to decorate with loving words that describe Dad, or have them decorate however their little hearts desire. I hope my 3 DIY ideas have helped you this Father's Day season. You don't have to break the bank to get a gift, and you can put so much love and energy into the gifts that you give, and those really are the best kind of gifts anyway. So, happy Father's Day to all the dads out there.